Hello guys, I am Presley Mike. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you're gonna be learning a lot. So let's go into it. How can you sleep all through the night and you say you want to become successful? How can you sleep all through the night and you say you're longing for success? You have 24 hours in a day. How can you sleep 8 o'clock in the evening and wake 7 in the morning and you say you want to become successful? Don't deceive yourself and don't allow anyone deceive you either. Success comes from really hard work. Success comes from hard work. You have to work hard to become successful. I know a lot of times women have a lot of complaint. Women have a lot of complaint and say, we don't have time. That's why we don't have time. In the day, we will do one thing or the other, and so we don't have time to read and study towards our future. But what about your night? What do you do with your night? This question is very important. What do you do with your night? What you do is sleep. Remember, the devil goes to and fro looking for whom to devour. And all you do is sleep. Are you serious? You can't sleep all through the night and you're expecting success. You have to work for success. For you to succeed, you have to work for it. You are too comfortable where you are, and that's why you aren't making any changes. That's why you aren't making any growth. And that's why you aren't improving. You are too comfortable. You have to leave your comfort zone. You have to leave that comfort zone and then move forward. You have to read books unless you won't become successful. You have to read books and apply as I'm teaching you right now. Unless after hearing this, you're not still going to be successful unless you apply that fact. You have been learning and you are not applying. And you think it's going to come automatically. You think your change is going to come automatically without you applying what you've learned. It's not done. You have to apply according to what you learn. You have to apply. You have 24 hours in a day. You sleep up to 11 hours. What's wrong with you? Have a change of mindset. You have to change your mindset. He who loves to sleep and the folding of hands, poverty shall set upon you like a thief in the night. No deep. Please, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thank you.